Right, how to get a bottle of cool drink out of the esky without all the ice caving in. This little gadget here. Get your bottle out, pour it into your cup, put the bottle back in, and you pull that back out, and there you have it. That's how you get drinks out of your eskies without the ice caving in. And you close the lid. Right, how to organise your camping cutlery. As you can see, I've attached wall plugs along each side of my storage box. The cutlery tray goes in and it can slide back and forth, back and forth. I've also I've glued a paper towel holder into the base of it so it can hold my paper toweling as well. And there you have it. Rightio, if you're lucky enough to score yourself, someone's throwing out an old kitchen sink or laundry tub, and you have an old outdoor table like I have, I've cut a hole in the table for my tub. Now, the idea is, when you've done your dishes, when you're out camping, I'll just put a bucket below the pipe and drop the water into the bucket when I'm finished doing the dishes. Wipe the tub out, and what I do is then I'll use the tub for storage. I can put my frying pan in there, my kettle. You can put all your camp bits and pieces into the trough, and I've created a lid for it as well. So when you're finished, you can turn it back into a table. Rightio. As you can see in the video, I've got my big blue marine box that I go camping with. Now, as the sun moves throughout the day, I like to move my esky around to the shade. Now, when it's full, it's too heavy for one person. So what I've done, as you can see, it's sitting on a board. That's marine ply. I've cut a piece of marine ply to the size of the esky. And I've brought some caster wheels. They've all got about a 40 kilo rating per wheel, and I've attached a bit of strapping to the base. As you can see, all I'm going to do is just wheel it from shady spot to shady spot as the day goes on. And I've got wheels that can also turn, not solid wheels, they can turn. So as you can see in the video, I can position the esky to wherever I want, because that's heavy when it's loaded. And there you go, esky on wheels. In the past, myself and other campers have tripped over the ropes to my shower tent, and I found a solution: pool noodles. Very bright, but they do the job. Rightio, in this video you can see 3 sealed lead batteries, which I'm using an old plastic toolbox to store them in, and I've got one at the moment going to a cigarette socket, which is sending power to my inverter, which is then going to my wireless speaker. And I've got a USB port here, which is going to my LED camp light. So there you have it, my power station sending power out to my units.